friends.
What's up? Welcome back to my channel where we are all things shuffle dance, raving, fitness, and fashion. I'm your girl, Remy Madison. It's Wednesday and I kind of made Wednesday
Shuffle tutorial day.
so I'm not going to disappoint. Today I will be teaching you how to do the Malaysian Running Man.
You can check me out on all my socials. They will be linked down below. I also have a podcast and teach virtual courses.
You can sign up for a course. It will be in the description box down below. Let's get into this tutorial. This is what the Malaysian Running Man looks like, and this is what I'm going to be teaching you. To learn the Malaysian Running Man, we have to understand the basic fundamentals of the regular Running Man. So in the regular Running Man, we're going to start with our feet shoulder width apart. You're going to pick up one of your legs. I call this the flagpole. So basically the Running Man moves from flagpole to triangle to flagpole. So you're basically going to pick up one of your legs and create a flagpole. So pointing your knee out, you're going to create a flagpole with your other leg, which is the base leg. So you want the leg and the foot that's creating the flag to be roughly beside the base knee. So the next part that you're going to do is you're going to jump out and create a triangle with the ground. So the flag leg that's creating the actual flag is going to shoot forward and the base leg is going to shoot back, creating a triangle with the ground. So you're going to bend your base knee. Bending your base knee, you're going to shoot both your feet out at the same time, landing at the same time. Now you've created a triangle with the ground. From your triangle stance, you're basically going to do the same thing and shoot back up into a flagpole with the other leg. So you're going to bend both your knees in your triangle stance. What you're going to do is you're going to jump into the center. So bringing both your feet together, you're going to bring the back leg up into a flag and you're going to bring the forward leg back, creating the new base leg, creating a flagpole together. So whichever leg is acting as the flag is always going to shoot forward. So you're going to bend your knees and jump both feet together at the same time, the other leg now acting as the flag. Now that you understand the flagpole to triangle motion, you're just going to keep doing that, keep practicing that until you get a bit faster with it. And those are basically the two elements of the Running Man. So this is the regular Running Man from the front, and now we're going to look at what the Malaysian looks like. So it's basically the same move, the only thing that difference is where your foot position is going to end up. So instead of moving on a straight line, the leg that is creating the flag is going to move across your body slightly on a little bit of a diagonal. So if your right leg is creating a flag, you're going to move it slightly to the left of your body. If your left's creating the flag, you're going to move it slightly to the right of your body. The back leg is also going to shoot out diagonally, so you're going to kind of shift diagonally to whichever side you are going to. So now you can practice going from the regular Running Man into the Malaysian. All it is you're just shifting where your weight is going. Instead of going on a straight line, you are simply sliding your foot slightly over. The back leg is doing most of the work. The back leg will be shooting out diagonally in the direction that the front flag is going. So if you can imagine an upside down V on the ground, whichever leg is creating the flag is going to shoot forward and touch the top of the upside down V, and the other leg that's shooting backward on a diagonal is going to move to the other 2 points of the V. And that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys were successful in getting the move. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Share it with a friend, challenge them to do it so that you can do the Malaysian together at the next rave. If you want to sign up for one of my shuffle classes, I have one this Friday, January the 22nd. That will be linked down in the description. You can sign up. It will be virtual. If you can't make it, you can still sign up and you'll receive a recording after. And that's basically all I have for you guys today. I'll see you in a couple days in my next video. Love you. Bye.